Here's an updated video on the coolant. I just put it up on race ramps. Just real quick. No change to the coolant. 4:20 on Tuesday Eastern. So there's the missing panel. Waiting on that to come in. That coolant was on that loom. I don't see anything coming out of there. So nothing active. Hope that's helpful. We'll get this panel buttoned up. We'll have that checked for leaks. Anything they find, we'll fix. We'll make sure it's perfect. See my comments below on this panel. And then if you haven't checked out the video, head on over to YouTube and check out the video. Walk around on it. Thanks.